Hey there! If you're over 50 and you've started to notice your legs feeling weaker, your knees aching, or your balance just not the same, you're not alone. Today, I want to show you one simple at-home routine that's been helping thousands of people just like you rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and move with confidence again, whether it's around the house or outdoors. Walking 10,000 steps a day is great for your heart, but it doesn't really bring back the leg muscles we lose with age. The truth is, we need a bit of strength training. Don't worry, not the kind that leaves you exhausted or drenched in sweat. These are gentle, low-impact moves you can do right in your living room. Let's start simple. Standing calf raises. Stand near a wall or chair for balance. Feet shoulder-width apart, back straight. Rise slowly up on your toes, hold for 2 seconds, and lower back down. You'll feel this one in your calves and ankles. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps, and increase as you get stronger. Next, the Bulgarian split squat. Don't let the name scare you. Place one foot behind you on a chair, the other in front. Lower down until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Keep your knee above your foot, not past it. This one builds balance and takes pressure off the knees. Now my favorite, the glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for about 20 seconds, and lower slowly. It strengthens your glutes and lower back, key muscles for posture and stability. Next up, farmer's walks. Grab 2 light dumbbells or even water bottles. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest up. Walk forward 20 steps, then walk back. Simple, right? But it improves posture, coordination, and leg strength all at once. And here's your bonus move, wall squats. Lean your back against a wall. Slide down until your knees form a 90-degree angle. Hold for 30 seconds, then come back up. Repeat a few times, you'll feel those thighs working. If you stay consistent with these exercises, you'll notice real improvements in just a few weeks. And here's a tip. Consider adding 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate after your workout. It helps with recovery, strength, and keeping your muscles healthy as you age. Stay consistent, stay positive, and you'll be amazed how much stronger you'll feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tips to stay active after 60. See you in the next one.